Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about Pendle and why the price of Pendle has been plummeting. So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. So we can see, I'm going to move myself actually so you can see a little bit better. There, we can see the price action on Pendle has obviously followed along with the rest of the market. The rest of the market has been basically, pulling back and things have not been going so great with the price action. Bitcoin has plummeted, back into like the mid 50s. And, people are getting worried and basically withdrawing their funds, taking profits, whatever they have to do, or even panic selling. We've seen a lot of panic selling recently. And, that's just kind of the part of the cycle, in my opinion. We always have pullbacks. We always have retracements and things like that. And I think we were overdue in this one. But we've got Pendle right now down to $3.58. So this is an absolute awesome buying opportunity, in my opinion. Obviously, this is my opinion only. But Pendle is facing some issues with total value locked, and we're going to talk about why that is occurring. So let's jump into that tab here. And I'm going to move myself so that you guys can see what I'm looking at. All right, so market dynamics for Pendle. How is it basically working? And this is going to explain why the drop. Am I scared? No, I'm not scared. I actually own quite a bit of Pendle, and I'm not. I honestly don't think that this is the end or anything like that. So just everybody needs to calm down a little bit. So Pendle, there is a drop in TVL. DeFi Llama's data shows that Pendle's TVL dropped by 45%, and TVL stands for total value locked. So it's basically the assets that they have, that users have locked into their. It's kind of like a staking program, if you want to call it that, I guess. Very similar, anyways. But falling from 6.2 billion to 3.32 billion within a week. So this sharp decline coincided with the maturation of several liquid restaking markets. As these markets matured, users withdrew their main investments, leading to significant capital outflows. So basically, they locked them up for a certain amount of time. We can see this, a lot of this here shows. So Pendle volume and such. And so, yeah, we can see basically what is going on there, what's locked, what's staked. Pendle CEO Tian Li explained that the large liquid restaking token, which they call LRT pools, worth approximately 4 billion launched earlier in the year, matured on June 27th. So that's why they're seeing a lot of funds exit the platform. On the Pendle's platform, LRTs are divided into principal tokens called PTs and yield tokens, YTs. So when users stake assets like Ethereum, they'll receive a PT ETH token, which can be converted back to ETH at the end of their staking period. So it's almost like they have something in exchange that they're holding on to. And YTs represent the interest earned from the staked asset, so it can be traded independently of the principal, and these tokens drop to zero at maturity. Users claiming their PTs and liquidity provider tokens led to significant fund outflows from Pendle. So that's basically why their staking has ended. They're pulling some of their funds out, that kind of thing. And people who take advantage of these platforms, they'll go to wherever is giving the best yield. Pendle's collaborating with other protocols right now to recover TVL. Lee mentioned that they are in talks with protocols offering higher multipliers. For example, EtherFi provided a 4x multiplier, and some pools on the Arbitrum network are incentivized with ARB tokens for liquidity providers. So this situation offers good opportunities in the Pendle pool on Arbitrum. However, it's worth noting that all these moves have not yet impacted the Pendle price. So what I have noticed by being a Pendle holder, Pendle really stood out to me back a couple of years ago. When the rest of the market was kind of in a downturn, we're seeing retracements and things like that. I was seeing Pendle's token value go up, and I'm like, okay, this is catching my eye, because every single time that we have a pullback, I notice that Pendle starts running, not overly long afterwards, right? And that's really what caught my eye. That's what prompted me to invest early in Pendle, and I'm really, really glad I did. I've already taken some profits off the table, and I have a nice size bag of Pendle. Just basically, I'm just kind of waiting and see what happens with it, because I really think that this is one of the next big things in crypto. I think being able to stake your tokens and still being able to trade or do whatever with with some of your fractionalized tokens, I think is a great thing. And It really sucks though when you go to stake something and it's like those tokens are locked up until that contract runs out and there's nothing you can do about it. At least that gives you some peace of mind, something to hang on to, and that kind of thing. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. Am I scared with if Pendles drop right now? No, I'm not. I really think that they are going to figure out another way to basically get the volume back in, lock those assets back up, and increase their total value locked. But that's what I got for you in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.